Hi guys. The weather is great. I've just got back from a day trip, camping trip to the south part of my island, and arriving home got the news that something very special has been delivered to my doorstep. So I figured I have been talking back and forth with the maker of what you're about to see, and I thought that I would share this with you. An unboxing video. And excuse the knife, guys, but from Ben and Orford. And Ben, he writes, "Hi Thomas, please find your Woodlander. Really hope you enjoyed it. Enjoyed it. Thanks for..." Ben writes, and it's because I'm not that good at English. He says, "Hi Thomas, please find your Woodlander. Hope you enjoyed it. Happy trails. Cheers, Ben and Lewis." This is cool. This is cool. Handwritten note. If you do that to all your customers, Ben, props. Makes this even more special. I like the weight. I mean, guys, this is cool. Ooh. So, Ben, he writes, date of purchase, model, Woodlander, 4 inches classic, handle material, English elm, blade material, 01 tool steel, blade thickness, 3.5 millimeters, Rockwell hardness, 59 Rockwell, sheath style, belt sheath. It's Conquer Brown, signed Ben Orford. Oh, this is cool, man. This is cool. Ben, he did my carving knives as well, but this is very, very cool. It's bigger than I thought it would be. With the fire steel loop, nice thick leather sheath, and would you look at this? Don't know if Ben has bigger hands than me, but this what a knife, what a knife. So Ben, the rules of a brand new knife, sharp, out of the box. I have heard, haven't tested this on a new knife, but I have recently heard that if you place 3 fingers on the blade, your brain should automatically warn you that that you might be in danger because you feel the sharpness. And even though I'm gonna try it now, you can't actually film this and make it work, but wow. So knife blade, 3 fingers, and if I had filth on my skin, it would come off. It actually is. Wow. Basic, beautiful, smooth handle. Wow. So thanks, Ben.